Good evening. Just checking in to give you some feedback on Unit 2, Activity 2 assignment. Some of you did a really good job in terms of completing the entire assignment. However, many of you failed to answer these questions here, whether all of them or some of them were left out. So I'm giving you this opportunity to complete the work and resubmit it. Please read your feedback that I issued, and you'll know if you need to complete the work and then resubmit it to the Dropbox. I will give you until tomorrow morning to finish this update, otherwise your mark will stand. I just wanted to offer you that courtesy that you should have followed the complete instructions, so picking either a field or a few professions in a particular field, and then looking at it by picking 3 possible ways to get there. Okay, so many of you just picked university, which is fine. Like, I overlooked that. However, you should have picked a route for university college or one of these 2, workplace or apprenticeship program. Moving forward, you needed to answer these questions. For example, like in high school, what do you need to take to get into that university program? Many of you already know that you need the grade 12 U English, and then say if you're going into human kinetics, you need bio and some other sciences and math, functions, for example. So I just wanted to give you feedback because some of you are lacking some of that information, and I want to make sure that you complete the assignment properly so you can actually plan with your guidance counselors and use it in your future course planning. Hope this helps. Be sure to email me any questions, but please do read the feedback and the rubric before emailing me. Okay? Have a good night. Bye-bye.